Hello everyone and welcome back. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to lock reports in Google Sheets step by step. Locking a report helps prevent accidental changes and ensures that important data remains protected while still allowing others to view the information. So, let's get started. First, open your report in Google Sheets. Next, select the cells, columns, rows, or entire sheet that you want to protect. Once selected, click Data in the top menu. From the drop-down menu, choose Protect Sheets and Ranges. A panel will appear on the right side of the screen. Make sure the correct range or sheet is selected. If you want to protect the entire report sheet, click Sheet and choose the sheet you want to lock. Next, click Set Permissions. You'll now see options for who can edit the protected content. Select Restrict who can edit this range. Choose Only You if you want complete control over the report. Alternatively, you can allow specific people to edit while preventing everyone else from making changes. After choosing the permissions, click Done. The selected report or range is now protected. Anyone without editing permission will be able to view the report but won't be able to modify the protected areas. If you need to update the report later, simply return to Data, then Protect Sheets and Ranges, and adjust the permissions as needed. Using protected ranges is a great way to keep business reports, financial summaries, and important dashboards secure in Google Sheets. And that's it. You've successfully locked a report in Google Sheets. Thanks for watching this tutorial. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more Google Sheets tutorials and productivity tips. See you in the next video.